a warm bath at home. This is a comfort that no one gives up. The electric shower is the outcome of a Brazilian technology, the instantaneous water heaters. The electric shower is much more economical and efficient than other water heating systems, which takes longer to heat up and spend more water. FAME has an important role in developing this technology. They are more than 75 years improving its product line. One of the highlights is the electronic super shower. Installation is safe and practical. See it step by step. The electronic super shower comes with electronic selector, heating chamber, spray plate, electrical conductors, hand shower, and pipe of 30 cm supported. Before installation, you will need a connector, sealing tape, a screwdriver or a Phillips screwdriver, range 10 mm fixed, or an adjustable wrench. Check if the circuit breaker is off. The circuit voltage is the same as the appliance, and the wire gauge and the circuit breaker or fuse are in accordance with the table of technical characteristics. And make the installation of unique and independent circuit. The water column must be at least 1.30 m and not more than 40 feet high to protect the water-saving device. Keep the flow reducer if it's over 5 meters. Remove the flow reducer if the water column is less than 5 meters. Tip: use the flow reducer is needed when the hydraulic power is directly from the public network. Open stop valve, remove the dirt on the pipe. Check the diameter, which should be half an inch. If it's not, use an adapter. The electronic super dusha fan should be 2 meters and 10 centimeters off the floor to the hydraulic connection. That time is ideal for that water does not cool in the fall. There are two options of hydraulic systems, depending on the distance of the electronic super shower to the bathroom ceiling. If the connection distance to the ceiling is larger than 22 centimeters, it's enough room for screwing the pipe plus bracket assembly. Apply the sealing tape in the pipe inlet nipple. Thread together with the holder by hand until the flange is flush with the wall. Check the vertical alignment support with Phillips screwdriver. Loosen the bracket screw, moving the barrel up to this point for easy access to the wiring at the time of wiring. If the connection distance to the ceiling is less than 22 centimeters, there is no room to thread the barrel plus support set. With the screwdriver, remove the bolt. Place the electronic selector button support in the 0 position. Pull up to remove the shaft with a wrench 10 mm or with adjustable wrench, then loosen the hex nut and then the washer. And then remove the pipe. Now apply the sealing tape sealer on the input nipple. Thread the pipe by hand. Check if the support is aligned with the wall. Now enter the electronic selector in the support guiding by the guides to fitting into position. Then put the washer on the shaft. Attach the hex nut with fixed or adjustable wrench. And when tight, fitting the rotary switch, aligning the pointer with the 0 mark, pressing gently to the proper grip. After making adjustments as A or B option, apply the tape to seal the thread on the nipple inlet electronic Super Dusha. Now, screw the shower on the pipe manually then open stop valve and let the water run for a few seconds. This operation, besides avoid heating element burning, is important to check for leaks. Insert the assembly into the groove of the pipe through the top opening of the support. Adjust the finish all along the pipe groove. Pass the red lead in the opening of the pipe and allow secure. Place the connector fitting well with the screwdriver. All the flexible cables should be within the support. With the Phillips screwdriver, tighten the bracket screw until let it quite close to the wall. Pass the leads through the plate. Cover and screw the plate. Do not forget the ground, always done by a specialist. The hand shower's holder must be 45 centimeters below the hydraulic connection. Using drills of 6.3 millimeters or a 4-inch make the hole. Be careful not to puncture the pipe. Remove the cover and connect the hose. If you don't want to use the shower head, just keep the capped water outlet pipe. Maintenance is also very simple. Before making the heating element exchange, turn off the general electrical switch. Remove the sieve of electronic super shower, turning it by hand counterclockwise. Remove the middle base, use a screwdriver. Pull and remove heating element. The mounted heating element should be positioned on the wire grounding. If base garrison come loose, replace it. Important: before restarting the electrical circuit, flush some water by the shower. Done! Now just rewire the electrical circuit and enjoy the pleasures of a good bath with an electronic Super Dusha. Thanks!